Hey there, fellow Greymanes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the leather riding hat in Crimson Desert. First things first, head to this side of the map. This spot is at the Demonis Saddlery inside the city of Demonis in the said region. You can buy the riding hat from the saddlery vendor, but you first need to increase her trust to 100%. We have a video in the channel on how to max vendor's trust, so please make sure to check it out. Once you get her trust to 100%, you can buy the leather riding hat. This hat provides 3 defense and additional lightning resistance. But the main purpose of this hat is that it allows your horse to gain more experience every time you travel with it. This experience gain perk goes up to level 2 when it reaches max refinement. It's extremely useful, especially that legendary horses has unique skills that can be unlocked once it reaches level 5. And that's how to get the leather riding hat in Crimson Desert. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.